Alright y'all, Half Drunk Adventures here. Today we're gonna be doing a little revival on an old John Deere lawnmower. Not really sure exactly what model. Should have a tag. Might have a tag somewhere. Sometimes they're up under here. I don't know exactly. Oh, there it is. It's old LX 255. What is that, Kohler engine? Pretty, yeah. Got an old Kohler 15 horse. This thing, hasn't been sitting here that long. But it's been sitting at my wife's aunt's house for a long time. It's in pretty rough shape visually. But I do know, that's all I know. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, yeah, we're good. Okay. Let me not do too much of that. That felt bad. What's those? Okay. Have to get a socket. I'll pull that spark plug out, probably put some PB Blaster down there. Real quick, let's just see what she's got. Doesn't look too bad. It's over full. But maybe it just needs to be wiped. It's still over full. It doesn't smell bad, honestly. I mean, it smells like used oil, but it doesn't even... It doesn't smell gassy. It doesn't smell old gas, because I'm sure looking at... If you look at that filter, how dark that... I don't know if the filter itself is dark, fluid's dark. I know that gas won't be any good. I'm probably gonna have to take that off. Give the tank a smell. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, that that kind of burned. Oh my gosh. Where am I? Okay, anyways. Let's see which key. It should be this key here. Trying to do this one-handed. I think I'm upside down. I know this battery has no power. And I don't know if this key switch will work being out in the elements like this, but here, let's see, it's in. Okay, yep, that's what we need. Go ahead and set the parking brake. I don't have a lot of hope for this, but I know I can just jump the solenoid down there if I need to. But now I'm gonna have to... I'll grab a spark plug socket, jumper cables, starting fluid, PB Blaster. I think that's really all I need for now, just to, you know, fire it up. Let's see what's going on with it. If it's gonna run, it's gonna do anything. Oh, nice. That roach poop. Kind of looks like. Well, if there's roaches living in this thing, I'm real glad I brought it up here now. A little bit of trash got down in there, but that'll help clean it out. Yeah, we'll see what happens. So let me go grab the stuff. I'm gonna use the old diesel over there to jump it off. It's got 2 batteries. So if I just pull it right here, I shouldn't need to have it running for it to get enough power. So I believe that's choke. That is Okay, it just doesn't stay. It's working. It's throttle. I mean, that feels fine. Here, does the deck go down? It feels like it would if that side wasn't on the ground. Because, I mean, it... Hang on, stop. It feels like it's bottomed out. I mean, honestly, if it had a hood and seat cushion and it was washed up, I think it'd clean up pretty good. Deck doesn't look to be in too bad a shape, I don't think. I haven't even gotten a good look at this deck. Let's see. Yeah, no, she's pretty clean. Might have some... Feels like there might be some rust up in there. But I mean, it's definitely not all the way through. Yeah, or that could just be paint flaking. No, either rust coming through, the deck's kind of bent a little bit. A little rust hole right there. It looks like it was painted over. But I've honestly seen a lot worse. Those blades, there ain't shit left on them. Well, let's see if we can at least get her to fire up. So I got spark plug socket, jumper cables, PB, a little bit of starting fluid. That can's mostly full. I got another can right there. It's about empty. So first thing, let's try and pull this plug out. Just see if we can get a little lubrication and this cylinder situation. Yeah, she wasn't too tight. Felt pretty good. Definitely not over tightened. Get that shit out of the way. Okay. Hopefully this plug doesn't look too bad, because I'm probably not keeping this mower. I mean, if it runs good and everything works, doesn't need anything, I might get her back going, throw a set of blades on her and use her. But worst case, this engine is the exact same engine as on my mom's lawnmower. So I mean, this here's all I really care about. That's why I'm going through the effort of putting PB blaster in the cylinder. Which that plug doesn't. That looks fine, honestly. For a lawnmower, I think it's pretty clean. So now let me take her and let me see. I think the hole's kind of too small. See if I can see down in there at all. Yeah, no, not really. So we're just going to fill her up pretty good with PB. And then I'll once I hook up the jumper cables, just crank it over, get a lot of that stuff out. Oh yeah, that should be enough. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah, something's not real happy. I don't know what it is. With the plug out. Okay. Give it a couple turns. She's spinning easy now, but sat there for a little bit and it did not want to turn. Let me give her some more PB. Probably just kind of rust forming over in the cylinder walls. Okay, that should be more than enough lube in there. She's back at it again. Saw something down here. It could be transmission related. If that deck belt, because I know some of these are, I'm trying to think. Because I know some of these mowers, when you push a parking brake, it releases like the belt, but some, the belt will still spin. Hang on, let me look at this. That belt does look kind of slack. Over here, maybe. No, that transmission belt's still pretty tight. Here, I'm gonna try. What I'll do, I think I can set my phone up better. I'll try and set it up. Here, yeah, that's what we'll do. Set it up. No. Go away, Siri. Set it up right there. Don't you fall. Spin this. Oh my gosh, no. You gotta be kidding me. Okay. Here, now we'll watch this back and see. Does it spin too? I'm pretty sure it's going. Yep. Okay. Which parking brake is set. See there? Lever's flipped. I know some of these are like that though. Because this is like a hydraulic. It's just, you set that and then push the pedals there. I used to work on John Deere lawnmowers, which it was more like the newer ones, but I'd get these every now and then. I did remember something about that. But I'm gonna go grab the diesel. I guess finish what's left of this beer, grab another one, and pull it up over here. Maybe take a piss, because I kind of got a piss. And we'll hook up jumper cable, see if that key works. Alright. Let's go. Okay. All right, let's go. Hang on. beside my shed over there. No real need to shift. Okay, I think that there should work. I think I might be kind of up on a stump, but it should work. All right, let's see. Can I get out and get around? Okay. Yeah, she's definitely flexed up on something. Oh, there's a little dirt mound right here. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that beauty right there. Yeah, I would say that should reach. Okay. Might have came up a little further than I needed to, but too much is better than not enough. Let's see, does it spark? Oh, hang on. I hear something clicking over here. See if we get any gauges, because I think the key is on. Yep, they're both lighting up. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but they're, don't you spill. They're both lit up. So that's cool. Here, let's just hop on here. Oh dang, these don't have a cup holder on them. So I didn't need to sit down. Okay. Well, let me get up. And anyways, set my beer right there. Grab the key. Come on, crank over for me. Oh, starter is clicking. She's clicking, but it's been sitting too long. Come on, hitting you with a nice Matco ratchet. Here, let me flip it around. Oh, hit the plastic. She keeps like locking up almost. Okay, that felt pretty bad. Here, I'm gonna try and maybe I'll just sit you here. Might be a little shaky. She doesn't want to go. Oh, that got her going. She does not seem happy, but oh, she's speeding up. Where's the keel cranker now? Because I think just being able to kind of like really hit it quick, I think that might have. Okay, no. For whatever reason, you know, like for whatever, twisting it the wrong way. For whatever reason, I don't know why, it's not getting enough power down there. So key is on. No, I think it turned off as I pulled it out. Yeah. But key's on. For some reason it's not getting enough power down there. I'm just gonna crank it like this. But it did kind of do the same thing. So what if I sit here and give her a couple of these? Yeah, no, she's not happy. At least with the key switch. But if I, yeah. So now we can throw this plug back in. We got a visitor. Look at that thing right there. Okay. Back to work. He doesn't know how to work. He's never, look at him. He's never worked a day in his life. Okay, he's gone. All right. I didn't even check her for spark, but we'll know pretty quick if she's got spark or not. Okay, well, I guess we can spray a little bit of start fluid in her. I want to make sure that she's set full throttle. Yeah, no choke. Most important part, let me drink a little bit of beer, then we try it. Oh, and I almost forgot. I probably should go ahead and disconnect this fuel filter. Okay, that's not even that tight. Can I set you up here for a second? Okay, look at that. What are you doing? You got soft paws, brother. You got soft paws. Okay. Let's go. Spray a little bit of start fluid in her. Oh, uh-oh. Okay, she's good. Do a little bit of that. Now we get her cranking. Oh, I'm gonna have to try and... I need a third hand. Here, how about I just set y'all up on my four-wheeler. Set you up right there. See what happens. This start fluid can's about empty. Look at that. Hell yeah. Too much start fluid. Does this thing have a muffler on it? Holy shit. It looks like it does. Is it hooked up? This thing's loud. I mean, she runs pretty good. Only thing I heard was a freaking exhaust, but the oil light turned off. Well, good engine. All right, well, she runs. I think tomorrow I'll figure out something for the fuel system, whether that's just like a rigged up fuel system, or I drain that out, and if the fuel line's good, hook it back up. But the way it's looking right now, might try and drive this thing tomorrow. Just have to see. I think that'll be a separate video. Come back for next video and we'll see what happens. Peace.